It's just a question of finding a political home that dovetails with my own, ideological benchmark, my own principles, my own beliefs, my ideological benchmark. I'm talking here of issues to do with nationalism, Pan-Africanism, the revolutionary thrust. This is just the desire to have historically disadvantaged people empowered holistically, and obviously the thrust of resisting neo-imperialism and also resisting neo-colonialism. So I found that, of course, there's no political home that is perfect, but I thought taking into account my own deeply held ideological convictions, ZANU-PF was the home for me.
So didn't you have those ideological convictions when you were in the MDC? No,
I had. This is why I was actually conflicted, because initially, the MDC was supposed to be a party that is, pro-poor, a social democratic party, a party that would have spoken to the need of pushing the agenda of the majority of the people, i.e. the historically disadvantaged people who are this part of the world, obviously predominantly black people, or people like you and me, people of color, and also the desire to be Pan-African, to forge, synergies with other countries, other political parties on the African continent, fighting for the total emancipation of political and socio-economic emancipation of the African people, renouncing and denouncing neo-colonialism, and also neo-imperialism. And to my surprise, I found that with time, the party was actually becoming more and more reactionary, moving more and more to the right, being remote controlled, so to speak, by hostile foreign forces. And I felt, okay, I thought maybe with time, things are going to get better and we'll go back to what I call the founding values of the MDC, the values of peace, solidarity, social democracy. But I found that, no, they were actually deviating from those founding values.